Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials and taking immediate action. Make an avatar with 3 distinctive traits and a short bio so people remember you, then enable chat and friend requests so connections can stick. Once done, join 2 to 3 active rooms or events that fit your hobbies. This puts you where conversations already happen. Make sure notifications are on so you don't miss invites. By combining profile clarity with instant room entry, you create both approachability and opportunity right away. Now focus on engagement and building rapport through deliberate moves. Start conversations with a specific compliment about their avatar, ask one open question, and add a sticker or emoji to keep tone light. This lowers barriers and invites response. Then join minigames or co-activities to create shared moments. People trust those who play and cooperate. Once you get a positive reply, follow up with 1 or 2 private messages to deepen the interaction and move from casual chat to a real connection. Finish by turning interactions into lasting friends with decisive, timely steps. Send a friend request within 24 hours and mention the shared moment so they recall you. Then propose one future meetup, a game, event, or private room to keep momentum. If someone stops responding or blocks you, don't escalate. Give a polite reset, apologize only if needed, and wait 48 to 72 hours before trying again. Persist gently and diversify contacts so one setback doesn't halt your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.